In this video, I'll show you how to set up your favorite database using Docker. We will focus on MySQL, Redis, Oracle, and Postgres. Let's get started. MySQL is mostly used for web applications because of its reliability and ease of use. Use the docker pull command to download an image of MySQL from the registry. Once downloaded, execute the docker run command to spin up a MySQL container. In this tutorial, we will use MySQL Workbench to perform some database operations. Create a database connection. Then create a database. Use the database. Create a table. Insert values into the table. Then select the data from the table. Next, we will look at Redis, which is in-memory data structure store, ideal for caching and real-time analytics. Pull the Redis Docker image by running the docker pull command. Once done, execute the docker run command to create a Redis container. Then connect to the container and run the Redis CLI to perform database operations. Store data in Redis using the set command and retrieve it using the get command. Let's move on to Oracle, which is a robust, secure enterprise-grade database renowned for handling complex transactions. Run the docker pull command to download the Oracle image. Then execute the docker run command to create an Oracle database container. In this tutorial, we'll be using SQL Developer to connect to the container and perform database operation. Start off by creating a database connection. Create a sequence. Create a table. Insert the data. Then select the data. And don't forget to commit your changes. Last but not least, let us have a look at Postgres, which is a powerful open source database system known for its strong support for ACID transactions and complex queries. Pull the Postgres image. Create a Postgres container using the docker run command. In this tutorial, we'll be accessing the Postgres utility within the container to perform database operations. Let's create a database. Use the database. Create a table, insert values into the table, then select the data from the table. That's all, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.